So this project I'm working on today is closing in the backside of these steps on the backside in the back. I'm gonna close them in because I think a homeless person been living under these steps, kind of camping out under there at night. So we want to try to close that in to prevent that, because we have guests staying at this Airbnb often. So all right, so first thing I'm gonna do to close up this opening is I'm gonna add a support piece right here, and I'm gonna attach it to this board right here. This board right here is a 2x10, but I got 2x6s that because this opening from the bottom of this to the ground is 27 inches. So I just got 5.5 inch 2x6s. So I'm gonna attach this board right here to act as a support piece, and I'll show you how I do that. All right, so the first thing that I did was measure from the ground to the bottom of this. Well, not the bottom, you can measure from the bottom or anywhere in there just to get a length. Put that under there. So had that like so. Okay, you just want to have that under there as a support piece because it lines up with that piece, so you can put your boards horizontally. This is just something to attach to, so I'll go ahead and nail that one. So since they had this 2x right here, they got that diagonal for the bracing of the steps so it won't sway. So I'm gonna go right under that, like right under it. So it'll be like a 2-inch gap in between there, but that's okay. We're just trying to close it up so nobody get under here. So yeah, so it'll be like this all the way across. You see how it's lined up with that one? So that's what I'm going for. Close it in.
She's out of school October the 7th and the she's there October 28th. Okay. Jackie's is on the 9th.
Since we got those boards up, I'm gonna go on and paint it using this Valspar solid paint exterior. It's gonna match the porch. So I'll get into that next.
Order me and Jamie a shirt. Hopefully they come in about a field trip.
When is the fit? Alright, so this wood is treated wood, and usually I wouldn't stain it at all right now, but since we painted it, we can go ahead and do that and it won't harm it. let this first coat dry, then we'll put a second coat on, then we'll be good. So since it's treated wood, the chemical in it shouldn't bleed through the paint, but if it does, we'll just repaint it later, no problem. So this is what it looks like with 2 coats. I'm going to do 1 more coat, and that'll be it. Yeah, that 3rd coat is it right there. That's what it needed. 3rd time with charm. Mosquitoes out here though. Ooh, tearing me up. Mosquitoes ain't playing.